Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com. There's my website. Phone number is 203-892-4119. Shop right now is overflowing with amplifiers. Another one. We got some right here. All in boxes. So I'm going to talk about this one first. Filament transformer's no good. Sourced another one. Grids were not grounded properly. Had a single wire for one grid connection to ground. Took that out. Grounded them properly with copper strap. Needs new circuit breakers. One was open. So I'm getting ready to change the filament transformer. Has a new fan. Has the new filter caps. I'm changing the metering board, putting the series glitch resistor on the plate, cleaning the rotary switches. I'll be changing that plate blocker. So, checking the SO239 connectors, clean the output TR relay contacts, do the bias modification, zip tie everything nice. Already put the new cap in for the rectified 90 volt winding supply. He wants the soft key in. This one had a makeshift kit, or makeshift one in it. I don't know where, oh here it is. Remove that. He put a short on that winding which took it out. Ended up taking the transformer out. So now we won't have to worry about that. I'm going to reconnect this wire. I'm going to actually pull this out, check it all. So, metering board. So, okay, well, I'm going to get to work, and I will be back. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back with the second video. Place the parasitic suppressors, clean the output rotary switch, put a new plate blocker in. The strap between plate blocker and the plate choke was over here. Put a new strap in where it should be. Everything's all soldered nice. New metering board. Had to replace some of the wiring. Wiring to the plate current meter. The insulation was falling off. So put new connections on. Put a new cap across it. Got rid of those diodes that were across it since they're on the metering board now. Put the series glitch resistor in. The black resistor. Tighten the nut here on the other side because a lot of times that's loose. So that's nice and tight, this whole assembly. New metering board from Harbach. I replaced the high voltage wire going from the metering board back to the filter cap assembly. Replaced the B negative wire also. Replaced the orange wire because that was also damaged. The insulation was damaged. So, new filament transformer. That's all installed nice. Cleaned the contacts on the TR switch, zip tied everything nice. Got the Harbach soft key kit, new circuit breakers, as one of the old ones was damaged, so I went ahead and replaced both. As you can see, it's damaged, won't reset, so replaced both. So, like I said, new cap, new wire to the TR to the relay, to the TR relay, did the bias modification. So this thing is good to go. If anyone has any questions or anything, feel free to call. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll have another video up shortly. I just haven't had time to make them lately. Just been so super busy. But thanks for watching. Take care.